The focus of this video is to demonstrate finding the limit of this trigonometric limit sine of x over x as x approaches 0. Let us first make this observation. Sine of negative x divided by x is the same as divided by negative x is the same as negative sine of x divided by negative x, which is the same as sine of x divided by x. Now, this observation will be helpful when we construct the tables for the left and the right hand limit for this limit sine of x over x as x approaches 0. Let us construct a table for right hand limit for sine x over x as x approaches 0, and the table would be x sine of x over x and as x approaches 0 from the right of 0, that is values greater than 0, we can take the following values. Correspondingly, the x values, this x is in terms of radians, sine of 1 over 1 when we substitute x equal to 1. These values can be evaluated using a graphing calculator or a scientific calculator, or software like Excel, GeoGebra, or straight from the Wolfram Alpha engine on the web. So this value is evaluated to 0.841471. When 0.1 is substituted for x in sine x over x, this value is evaluated to 0.998334. When x 0.01 is substituted for x, sine of 0.01 over 0.01 will be evaluated to 0.999983. When 0.01 is substituted for x in this function, the corresponding value will be evaluated to 0.99999983. Now, clearly, these values are all approaching 0, and these values are approaching 1. Therefore, the right hand limit at 0 for this function sine of x over x is equal to 1. Now if we want to find out the left hand limit, we will take the values of x approaching 0 from the left, so there'll be negative 1, negative 0.1, negative 0.01, negative 0.001. And this observation shows that we will still get the same table here. This sin x table will be the same when you have negative values here, and therefore it follows that the left hand limit at 0 for this function is also 1, and hence limit x approaching 0 of sine of x over x will be 1. This is an important trigonometric limit which is used in various contexts.